What's happening, guys? So we're gonna review a first-class train ride to Bangkok. This is the train. This ain't my train, but this is. We're gonna be in number one, which is first class, and we're gonna check it out, see if it's comfortable, review the food, do everything. And then I'll edit the video and post it while I'm on the train. Hopefully we have Wi-Fi. I think we do. So see you in a little bit. What she said, keep going. Did she tell you to keep going? Or you didn't hand her the ticket? I thought she, why give it to this guy? I don't know if it's number 2 or number 1. Hand it to him. Show him the ticket.
Can I go for through? Yeah, number 1, number 2. Okay.
Here. Go. Does it have a room number? Papa? Does it? I don't know. Should have a room number, I guess. I have no clue.
You need 4?
Huh?
I don't know.
4?
No. 84, but I don't know what that is. There's a bunch of numbers in here.
Alright, it's alright, I'll put this up. I gotta figure this is it. 2122. This is with a first class. I can't get to the door. Please. First class train. We already moving. Let me see what this looks like. How the hell you open the door?
Hello, your toilet you behind.
Okay. What here?
No, toilet you behind. The room.
Oh, room.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's a room. Well, we're on the way. Not much room in here, but it'll work. The bed is just as comfortable as any other one. That's another room, he said. Room. That's good. It's locked.
The beds are softer than
Yeah, I know. Beds are softer than the regular. We got a little AC up there. Let me give you a tour. There. Tour's over. 2 beds. That's all we need. I got my computer. Maybe we could watch a movie. And this is our room for the day. Is that air vents?
Yeah.
Sink. I don't think they feed us.
There's only one plug-in.
Hello, train. Well, guys, that's it. Not that eventful. It's a tiny room. There's no toilet. No, you got to go down the hall to use the bathroom, and it's pretty cold in here, so that's nice. The beds they're not that bad. I mean, they usually have pretty hard beds around here, and this one actually is pretty comfortable. So, it's a good way to travel, that's for sure. You just go to sleep, you wake up, you're there. That's what I have planned. So, that's it. Ain't that exciting, but that's all I got. Until next time, guys, keep hope alive.